Hello everyone and welcome to TechMax Solutions. So in today's session we will discuss about a real estate website that we have developed for one of our UAE based client and also the CRM that we have integrated within the website. So the website starts with a very good UI wherein on the background all the properties as per the country it is visible, and also we have given directly the option to search properties, so it is easy for customers to navigate the website and directly go into the properties section. So we have given certain filtering options here on basis of keywords purpose like rent or sale. On basis of cities they can search also here, on basis of property type and certain parameters as per the business requirement. After this we have given the option wherein the property listings are visible. They can view all the listed properties here, and below that we have done just some branding for the business. Now here if we navigate to listings, we see all the property listings listed by the admin or by the users which is approved by the admin. They can here as well filter with all the required terms, and also we have given in the same way the advanced filter options here. So if we select any property, we can see all the details related with the property, the prices, images of the property, videos if you want to attach any, if any 3D images are there, that as well you can attach. Also you can share the property with all the details that are there on this page to anyone on WhatsApp. Also you can download this as PDF. Apart from that, we can give an option to generate a QR code for this property so that you can scan it from any device and get all the informations related with the property. If the person wants to schedule a visit appointment to visit the property, they can directly do it from here. All the details like the GPS, the location of the property, they can directly navigate it from here. They can calculate the EMI as well. If they want to change rate of interest or the loan tenure period, they can do it here, and the real time calculations will be done. If the real estate is involved in projects as well, they can upload their projects as well here, which can be easily managed from the CMS or even the users, those who are uploading these projects. In the insights, in the same way we can publish articles related to our new projects, and in careers we can keep on posting the latest hirings that we are hiring for. Now let's proceed ahead with the interesting part, which is the CRM. Now first I will go ahead and navigate the admin version. So when I go to the admin panel, the first thing I see is the dashboard. So in this dashboard I see all my revenue, my active pipelines, all the leads that I have got, under what stage it is, each and every information here. So now in approval desk, if we go here, the properties that are requested by the users, by your customers, that needs to be uploaded, you get a approval here, because we cannot allow everyone to list properties without approval. So once it is approved, then only this will be visible. After this, once this listing is approved, the email is automatically sent to the user that his listing has been successfully uploaded on the portal. Now we can go ahead with the pipeline model. So here we have the filtering options, wherein as per the stage we can filter the contacts. If we want to upload a bulk sheet of leads, we can upload it here. We can manually register also any of our client here by entering all this information. Once the client is active here, we can open sales tags, and we can change the status of this lead as per the process, as per the communication with the customer. Like let's say if the customer was contacted, so we can check the status here. Accordingly, if we want to make calls, we can directly dial from here the calls, and all the calls are being recorded. For this we can use multiple third-party APIs. Like in this case we have used Microsoft Teams system. In Teams also this is UAE based, so we have used SBC setup as well integrated. Now from here directly we can send emails as well to our customers, and everything would be tracked in the timeline. We can send WhatsApp messages as well to our customers, and accordingly for each and every activity that we do, we can add logs here. So once we go back here, uh, just let me refresh it and close it. So I see all my activities that are done here. Once there are a lot of activities done, if I click on AI resource, it will just grab and pull all my activities, narrow it down and create a summary over here. So in this way, it is very easy for me to manage my sales pipeline, wherein it whether it is calling or whether it is sending email or coordinating with customer, managing my notes. I don't have to rely on any third party platform or move here and there. I can manage each and everything here. Now, agent leaderboard, as per agents, we can track their performance, like which agent was handling which lead and what is their scores. And accordingly, we can click on the specific user's name and get each and every report. The builder report also we can get in the same way, wherein if a builder is listing certain properties, we can manage all that from here. The billings and ledgers can be managed from here, in which we can simply print it also in a very good format and also send it directly on email. Audit and trials, it includes all the audit logs, all the system activities that are being done. So it is easy to trace each and every activity, because if anything is deleted, we have option to recover, but the company might require the option wherein they want to trace the audit logs as well. So in this, many more things can be added as per the business requirement, because this platform doesn't have any limitation. We can integrate any third party platform. In this, we do have the option of the mobile application as well, wherein if there is any property assessment that the agents are doing, they need to visit property, click some pictures and upload accordingly, they can do all that. Now let's quickly see the customer portal. So as a customer, if I log into the portal, I can add all my informations here. After that, I can go ahead and submit my property request. I can enter all the details related with the property and I can transmit it for review. So once the admin reviews it, the property will be simply listed on the website. So the other option that we have given here is language, because a real estate business is something, it is not necessary that each and every person might understand English. So here, as per the country region, we have given the language to switch directly from here. So let's say this is a UAE based company. So if we switch to Arabic, everything switches to Arabic instantly. We have given here the option of live chat as well. So it is very easy to manage the support experience. So for any queries or details related with the CRM, you can reach us. Thank you.